Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin, just a daily chart because not much has happened. Key areas we're watching are a breakdown about below 11,650. Then we'll start watching for the retest the other side of the daily rotation zone, 11,350. If we get up about above 12,000. That's really the cutoff right now. That's where we've been getting selling pressure. Then we'll start watching for the higher prices, 12,134, 12,232, and 12,550. Those are all the key areas. It's just in this upper end of the consolidation range, still making higher lows, stalled out on the higher highs. So we're waiting either for the breakout or the breakdown. Now, Ethereum, on the other hand, is moving nicely. Let me just look at the 4-hour chart. Ethereum coming up, poking through the 438.15 level all the way up to about 445 and coming back, actually dipping below the 4-hour rotation zone, but now back above it. So above here, let's see, just see key support right now is coming in right about that 50 EMA on the 4-hour, about 409. And key targets, let me just look. See, here's right around that 409. Right now you can even start watching about 415 off the daily. That's the rotation zone on the daily. If we drop below that, we'd start watching for 401, and then all major support coming in at 380. To the upside, next cluster area is 455 to 461, and then 496.25. I mean, everything's still in bullish mode on both these, running out of a little momentum on Ethereum, but it's still supporting the bullish case. Need a nice little breakout up here to get back above. I mean, confirmed would be above these most recent swing highs, but if we start getting up, especially above about this 438 level, I'd start looking on the bullish side more aggressively. So we have for you for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.